रोटी बन चुका है। अब मैं आलू बेगन बनाने जा रही हूँ। First we need to keep 3 spoon oil and 1 spoon jiyra powder, I mean cumin. Make it little bit brown. Here is onion, 2 pieces. I cut small. Now you need to fry till golden color. Now you need to keep 2 pieces green chili, and after that potatoes. I cut 3 potatoes, big size, like how much you want you can keep, and what kind of style you want to cut. It's by your choice. For 5 minutes cover it. After 5 minutes you need to add ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons. Little fry it. Now you need to keep turmeric powder, half spoon, red chili, 1 spoon, and coriander, 1 spoon, and jiyra powder, 1 spoon salt. After you keep all masalas, you need to cover it for 5 minutes. Again, you have to cover for 10 minutes this time. After 10 minutes, then now you can keep tomato. I cut 3 tomatoes, small size. Fry it well and also mix it well. After you mixing well, you need to cover for 5 minutes. After your 5 minutes done, you can open and add eggplant. I used 7 pieces, small, and I cut big size. And then now you can mix it well. If you mix it well, again you have to cover it for another 5 minutes. checked my food salt, it's little less, so I'm again going to add little salt. After you're keeping salt, you need to add kasuri methi. If you have powder, you can add powder. If you don't have, then you can add leaves. So now our food is done. You can enjoy it.